So this one's 10 by 12. So the first thing I noticed right off the bat is what looks like about 24-inch spacing in the wall studs. And typically that spacing's like 16 on center for residential stuff. I don't know that on this size it matters, but I would probably come in and add blocking between these studs if I was going to turn this into something you were actually going to live in or have like a little mini guest house or something. And if you went the spray foam route for insulation, that would probably be good. And then you could do some kind of loft up here, like a little, something just big enough for a bed with a narrow ladder that could come down on the side and then go up to a small bed up there or something. It's got 2 small windows, but I would probably add another window or even make these a little bigger. You could do a bigger window up above the door up there. Just let in more light. Obviously these doors are very shed-like and probably would need to be changed for something different. But I think it's definitely big enough that you could do something. You could have a single, very small, you could have like the smallest mini split type system or something there. Or you could even build out this angled part where it could support the smallest mini split unit. I think they make them pretty small. But the question is, could you build this exact shell better and cheaper than this unit would be? And also, if you did it yourself, you might as well do it with a living space in mind. So, maybe your studs are different and your window layout's different, and like this is clearly designed to be a shed. You could build it with proper door in mind, and because it really is pretty simple looking. You could put this thing up in a full day. Maybe not, shingles and all of that, but it would not take long to build this thing yourself. The question is just, how much more money do you save by doing it yourself?